you've been invited to another Grammy party. And here is everything you need to know, MCs and Presenters edition. So, MC for the 5th consecutive year is Trevor Noah. Trevor Noah, pretty interesting guy. So he has a comedy thing on Netflix and he's really fantastic. He's also written a book which is really fantastic, so you should definitely check that out. Some of the other presenters, I know there's SZA, Taylor Swift, Olivia Rodrigo, some members of Red Hot Chili Peppers and Queen Latifah. Interesting enough, because some of those presenters might actually win an award. I do know that the Tortured Poets Department had been nominated for quite a few of the awards. So, I don't know, I guess we'll see a lot of Taylor. But anyways, I'm super excited about that. If you don't know who Olivia Rodrigo is, she just had her Guts World Tour. It looked amazing. I saw the Netflix version of it. And kind of a national pop star for all teenage girls right now. So definitely check that out as well. So super excited to see them. All right.